National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Little Miami River in extreme southwest Greene County, northeast Warren County, until 5:30 p.m. Friday. At 5:37 p.m., the river gauge near Spring Valley indicated that the river was approaching the 9-foot flood stage and was still rising quickly. The river is expected to crest between 10 and 11 feet. Low-lying areas in Corwin will flood and water will approach Corwin Road. In Spring Valley, Constitution Park is flooded. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely, and the road beneath may not be intact. Stay tuned to developments by listening to NOAA Weather All Hazards Radio.
Now looking at the weather.